In hospital and clinical pharmacy, experiment number 15, apparatus required are test tube, stand, test tube holder, measuring cylinder, and hair and brush. Then petri dish, glass rod, glass measuring cylinder, iodine flask, and 2 glass plates. Material required for this experiment is absorbent cotton. Chemical required are zinc chloride solution, H2SO4, phenolphthalein indicator, methyl orange indicator, and ionated zinc chloride solution. Equipment required: compound microscope along with slide. In procedure, first step is weight accurately 15 gram of absorbent cotton. To perform test for acidity, alkalinity, and surface active substance, take already weighed 15 gram of cotton in a beaker. Then add 150 ml of distilled water, in it. Then keep it for 2 hours for maceration. After that, squeeze that material and use filtrate for the practical. For acidity and alkalinity test, use filtrate, which we have already prepared by dissolving 150 ml water, by dissolving cotton 15 gram in 150 ml of water for 1.5 hours. Now use that filtrate. Take this filtrate 2.5 ml in a test tube, and add a drop of phenolphthalein indicator. The solution do not have pink color. That means in cotton there is no presence of acid. Now test for alkalinity. Again take 2.5 ml of filtrate and add a drop of methyl orange indicator. And observe for color. It should not have dark orange color. It indicates that in your cotton there is no presence of alkali. In surface active substances, take filtrate 2.5 ml in glass toppered bottle. Now vigorously shake it for 30 times for 10 seconds. Again repeat this procedure for 30 times and wait for 5 minutes. Now see for froth formation at the surface of the liquid and measure it by using scale. That froth should not be more than 0.2 mm for 2.5 ml of filtrate. First test is examine single thread of the cotton under microscope. Now go for adjustment under microscope and see for length of the cotton that should be 4 cm long. Measure the length of thread by using scale and that should be 4 cm long and 40 mm wide in the form of flattened tube with a thick and round wall and often twisted. In third test, take a cotton in a beaker, add 10 ml of zinc chloride solution in it. Now heat this solution. In third test, take a cotton in a beaker, add 10 ml of zinc chloride solution in it. Now heat this solution. Now in a second test, take the sample of cotton on a glass slide, add few drops of iodinated zinc chloride solution. And observe for color. The absorbent cotton fibers become violet in color or brownish violet in color. Now for next test, fluorescence test, use aseptic cabinet. First on that aseptic cabinet, now on UV light. Now keep slide which height is with thickness 5 mm and observe carefully for brownish violet fluorescence under UV light. There is no presence of violet brownish color fluorescence under UV light. That means fluorescence containing substances are not present in cotton. For test for naps, take 0.5 gram of absorbent cotton. Now spread it on 2 glass plates which having 450 square centimeter area. And now count for naps. Naps are entangled masses of fibers which observed under or by using visual inspection. So these are the naps. Count these naps. For 0.5 gram of sample, naps should not be more than 250. In test for water soluble substance, take accurately weighed 5 gram of absorbent cotton. Now take a weight of empty borosilicate beaker capacity with 500 ml. Weight is 182.90 gram. Note down it. Now take 5 gram of cotton in 500 ml of distilled water. Now boil it. Boil it at 40 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes in borosilicate glass beaker on gas. Stir frequently. And replace the water by evaporation. Repeat this procedure for 30 minutes. After this, decant the liquid into a beaker and squeeze the residual liquid from the material carefully with the glass rod. Now decant the liquid in this way in another beaker and replace if water remain in the beaker. Squeeze it by using rod and remove all liquid. Now keep this beaker in a water bath for evaporation. After complete evaporation of all residue, then weight again the beaker which already we have weighed, and then keep this beaker in a autoclave at temperature 105 degrees Celsius. Now wait until complete dryness in hot air oven and then weight the beaker. After keeping beaker in hot air oven, weight of residue of absorbent cotton with beaker is 181.28 gram. And as per IP, the water soluble substance of absorbent cotton wool should not be more than 0.5%, and find out the exact reading of practical after doing observation.